In this video, I'll show you how to verify your identity on Cash App. Welcome back to this new tutorial video. If you're having issues with verifying your ID and you don't know the steps to do it, in this video, let me quickly show you. Now, there are numerous benefits of verifying your ID, such as increased sending or receiving limits. In order for you to verify your ID, from the home screen, you'll need to head over to the profile icon, which is on the top right. Once you tap on it, you'll land on the accounts page. From there, you'll need to scroll down a bit, and then under account and settings, you'll see the option called personal. Inside of personal, you'll have the option of verifying your ID. In order to verify your ID, you'll need to have your social security number, your verified or legal name that is on your ID card, as well as your date of birth. So just tap on the personal option and then fill in those details. Once you fill in and send over those details to Cash App, it's going to take about 28 to 48 hours to verify your ID. Now, if this step does not work for you and they still require further information, you may need to send in other documents such as government verified ID, your image verification, and even a video verification. You may see a screen similar to this, which says started a manual review, in which you must add in a government verified or a government issued photo ID. You may need to appear on camera and you need to submit these documents for identity review. Only after you completed these steps, your account of Cash App will be verified. But for the most part, if you add after you submit your social security number, your date of birth, your account should be verified. So that's all it takes in verifying your identity on Cash App. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more informative videos just like this.